good morning all. Today we'll discuss about lithium bromide vapor absorption refrigeration system. Okay, so I'll read some important points. The lithium bromide absorption refrigeration system uses a solution of lithium bromide in water. So in this system, water is being used as a refrigerant, whereas lithium bromide, which is highly hygroscopic salt, as an absorbent. Okay, in short, in this system, that is lithium bromide vapor absorption refrigeration system, we are using water as a refrigerant and lithium bromide as an absorbent. Okay, lithium bromide solution has a strong affinity for water vapor. Okay, because of its very low vapor pressure. Since lithium bromide solution is corrosive, therefore inhibitors should be added in order to protect the metal part of system against corrosion. Okay, so the figure shows the LIBR vapor absorption system. So we'll see the figure. This is what the figure of LIBR vapor absorption system, that is lithium bromide vapor absorption system, in which lithium bromide used as an absorbent. Here it is provided. Okay, and water as a refrigerant. Now how is it working? So in this system, absorber and evaporator are placed in one shell. Okay, we'll see here. In this case, absorber and evaporator are placed in one shell, and generator and condenser are placed in another shell. Okay. Now next is, here it is given, generator and condenser are placed in another shell which operate at the same high pressure system. Okay. And evaporator and absorbers are operate at low pressure system. Same low pressure system means in evaporator and absorber the pressure is same. Similarly in generator and condenser pressure are same. Now the water for the air conditioning system or process requirement is chilled as it is pumped through the chill water tube in the evaporator by giving up its heat to refrigerant water spread over the tube. Okay, so how is it working? First thing is what? Water. Now here, what is the main purpose? The main purpose is to get chill water tube. Okay, so here you see water at high temperature. Now this water is coming from any, suppose for example, any process plant where we want to supply chill water. So water having some high temperature is coming from that plant and it enters in the these tubes. Okay, and the exit is chill water. How we are getting chill water? By spraying the water as a refrigerant over the evaporator coil. Okay, so I will read that statement. The water for the air conditioning system or process requirement is chill water as it is pumped through the chill water tube in the evaporator by giving up its heat to refrigerant water sprayed over the tube. Now here you see inside tube there is a, inside this tube, this is chill water tube, and over this we are spreading the water as a refrigerant. Now see, this water is used for the process. Okay, and again water we are using for the refrigerant. This water will be sprayed over this water tube and this water will get evaporated. Correct? Now next. Since the pressure inside the evaporator is maintained very low, the refrigerant water evaporate. Okay. So refrigerant water evaporate. Why refrigerant water evaporate? Because it will absorb the heat which is coming from the, it will absorb the heat from the water which is coming from the process plant. Okay, that water will get chilled and chilled water you can again supply to process plant. Now water vapor thus formed will be absorbed by the strong lithium bromide solution which is sprayed in the absorber. Now here you see, here there is a LIBR solution. This LIBR solution will absorb the refrigerant. Refrigerant is also water. Okay, that water which was in vapor condition will be absorbed by the LIBR solution. Okay. Now next is, in absorbing the water vapor, the lithium bromide solution helps in maintaining very low pressure needed in the evaporator and solution become weak. Now LIBR solution has absorbed all the uh, water vapor which is act as a refrigerant, and it forms the weak solution. Now this weak solution is pumped by a pump to the generator where it is heated by the steam or hot water in the heating coil. Now here you see, now whatever weak solution you have got here, here you are getting weak solution. How we are getting weak solution? LiBr, which is act as an absorber, will absorb the refrigerant in vapor condition. Okay, that is water. So it will be pumped back to here generator. Okay. Now next, this weak solution is pumped by a pump to the generator where it is heated by the steam or hot water in the heating coil. So here you see, again we'll see the diagram. Here it is heated. In generator it will be heated by steam or heating coil. Okay. Now next, the portion of water is evaporated by the heat and the solution now become more strong. Now what is happening in generator? This water which was absorbed by the lithium bromide solution will get separated out because of steam or heating coil. Okay. And then we are getting what? Strong solution. This strong solution is passed through the heat exchanger and then sprayed in the absorber. Now strong solution means what? It consists lithium bromide. This lithium bromide now is going to, here you see. Now lithium bromide is going to where? Again absorber. Now this absorber consists what? Lithium bromide. Okay. And next is the weak solution of lithium bromide from the absorber to the generator is passed through the heat exchanger. This weak solution get heat from the strong solution and thus reducing quantity of steam required to heat the weak solution. Now what is the use of this heat exchanger? Now see, this weak solution is supplied. Weak solution means what? It consists lithium bromide and water. This will be pumped back to generator. Okay. Now strong solution which is coming from generator will give its heat to the weak solution. So some heat will be used over here. So there will be a some amount of heat can be saved. Okay. Now next. Now the refrigerant water vapor form in the generator. The refrigerant water vapor form in the generator due to heating of solution are passed through the condenser where they are cooled and condensed by cooling water flowing through the condenser water tube. Now here you see, here we are getting what? Water vapor in refrigerant because it will get separate out from the LiBr solution. So that will be condensed by cooling water. It will be condensed by cooling water and it is supplied, you see here, it is supplied to first pressure reducing valve. It will reduce the pressure and then it is supplied to where? It will be supplied to evaporator. Okay. You see here. The cooling water for the condensing is pumped from the cooling pond or tower. Now cooling water is required for condensation of refrigerant because we are getting refrigerant from where? From generator. It gets separate out. Refrigerant from LiBr solution will get separate out. It will be condensed by cooling water. From where cooling water is coming? You see here. This is what the cooling water circuit. Okay. This is what? Cooling water circuit. Now refrigerant which will get condensed will be reduced by a pressure reducing valve and it is supplied to where? It will be sprayed over the water tubes, okay, or chill water tubes. Then next, the cooling water first enters the absorber where it takes away the heat from condensation and dilution. The condensate from the condenser is supplied to the evaporator to compensate the water vapor form in the evaporator. Okay. Now the pressure reducing valve reduces the pressure of condensate. Pressure reducing valve reduces the pressure of condensate from the condenser pressure to evaporator pressure. Now the cool water from the evaporator is pumped and sprayed in the evaporator. Now cool water which is coming from condenser or pressure reducing valve will be sprayed in the evaporator to cool the water for air conditioning flowing through the chill tube, and this completes the cycle. Okay. So in short, again I will explain. Here you see Our main aim is what? To get the chill water. Here we are getting chill water, okay? Correct? So this is what chill water tube. So we are getting chill water. This chill water will be supplied to any application or process, okay? Now after use of that water, it get heated. This heated water will be supplied to chill water tube again. Now how it is cooled? By refrigerant which is sprayed over the tubes. Now this refrigerant will get evaporated because it is losing its heat to chill water. Okay, and now it will be absorbed by what? Absorber. It form the strong solution. Now LiBr solution along with water as a refrigerant mixed solution will be supplied to generator. Generator what it does? It will separate out the water from the LiBr solution and water will be again condensed. Okay. Now whatever strong solution you are getting, it will be supplied to where? Here. That is LiBr solution in short. Okay. Correct. And now cooling water is required for condensation, so it will be supplied from cooling water cooling pond. Okay. This is what cooling water supply. And this heat exchanger, what it does? It will take heat from the strong solution, strong lithium bromide solution, which is coming from generator. So it will this weak solution, weak lithium bromide solution. Weak means it consists of water refrigerant. Okay, and this completes the cycle. So where we are getting refrigerating effect, here we are getting refrigerating effect. So this completes the lithium bromide vapor absorption system. So thank you.